had to mute audio because there was a loud music playing inside, but what you see here is thirsty people lining up for the open buffet. Yes, that's right, alcohol was free aboard the boat, but you had to pay for the food. And these parts over here, you see the window reflections. This was actually a huge boat, and so we were just basically killing time before the sunset. And I think we went south on the river towards Brooklyn Bridge, and I'm still inside. This was like, I think it's second level, but that boat had 3 levels, and at the top you can actually be in the open air. And here you see we are passing actually the Statue of Liberty, and this spot was actually pretty cool here. I think right before the bridge, I was asking people sitting next to me, like, how do you get there? And they said, oh, that's the, you know, scenic view for the bridge. And I said, which side is that? And they said, well, that's you know, Brooklyn, right? And so you can go there, and there's a park, and it's like the views are unbelievable. So that's to my, or to your right, you see people over there. I'm not sure how it's with parking over there. Probably it's best to take transit or Uber. And then we turned around and we went back. And this is again just to prove that point, is that it's very important who the organizers are of the cruise, because see, these guys know the timing. Like, the timing was perfect, as you will see later. Yeah, sorry again for the reflections, but you know, this was still daytime. The footage and images will be much more interesting as the sun will start setting. And again, the audio is muted for copyright reasons because there was loud music playing inside, and I'm inside the boat. But that music disappeared when I went outside, and that's right after we left this spot. Everybody rushed outside.
Well, they usually come through the stairs.
That's so funny because I didn't see that it was in your hand. Sorry.
Don't worry. DRATCHEV in meine, DRATCHEV los. Чекайте до конца, I think it takes a long time.
Sorry for the windy noise. I did not use my external mic. Forgot all about it. And so the built-in mic on the camera picked up lots of wind noise. So I try to reduce the volume, but sorry once again.
I think we go.
What kind of lens are you? 16 to 35? Oh,
And this is that magic hour. You see, it's still not. It's just getting started. It's starting to get dark, but it's beautiful. Like the camera was able to pick up all these, variations of color. It was amazing.
I was gonna say, whoa, what happened here?